How to duet on TikTok with a saved video. First, you want to open TikTok on your device. Now, over here, find the video that you want to create a duet and tap on the share icon. From here, tap on save video, and it will take some time, but the video will be saved in your gallery. Once your first video has been saved, you want to search for your second video. So find that video and follow the same process and save that video as well. Now, after two of the videos have been saved on your gallery, you want to exit TikTok and head over to your Play Store. Here you want to search for an app called Video Collage. Find this app right here and download the app. Once it has been downloaded, tap on Open. Here you want to tap on Video and now tap on Create New. From here you want to choose the frame. I'm going to select this one. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the top. From here under the camera album, you are going to find the videos that you have saved. So you want to select both of those videos and then tap on this icon. After this, as you can see, the video is here side by side. Now you want to tap on the tick mark option at the top right corner of your screen. And now select your output video resolution, then tap on OK. Once you do that, let's wait for some time. And now you can see that your video is ready. So if you open this up, you can see the duet. So this is how you can do it on TikTok with a saved video. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.